Hey everyone. Today I'm diving into one of the most talked about crime stories coming out of Florida in 2025. We're exploring the surge in executions, zeroing in on the case of David Pittman, and what this means for true crime and justice watchers like us. So, let's set the stage. It's May 1990, Polk County, Florida. David Pittman and his wife Marie were in the middle of a messy divorce. Tensions were high. One night, Pittman went to the home of his in-laws, Clarence and Barbara Knowles. What happened next is honestly chilling. He fatally stabbed both Clarence and Barbara, as well as their younger daughter Bonnie, his own sister-in-law. Then he set the house on fire to cover his tracks and stole Bonnie's car, which he also torched later. Now, Pittman didn't get away with it for long. Police found witnesses who saw him fleeing the scene, and a jailhouse informant claimed Pittman confessed to the murders. Fast forward to 1991, Pittman was convicted on 3 counts of first-degree murder, arson, and grand theft. Since then, he's been sitting on death row. But here's where things get even more intense. Florida's Governor Ron DeSantis signed Pittman's death warrant this year, scheduling his execution for September 17, 2025. This isn't just another case. Pittman's execution marks the 12th scheduled death in Florida for 2025, blowing past the previous record, 8 executions in 1 year. For comparison, as of today, Florida has executed 9 people this year, more than any other state, with Texas and South Carolina trailing behind at 4 each. It doesn't stop there. 2 more men, Haley Bates and Curtis Wyndham, are also set to be executed in Florida before the end of August. Nationally, 28 people have already been executed in the U.S. this year. That's more than in all of 2024, and it ties the total from 2015. Whether you support or oppose the death penalty, there's no denying this is a big shift in how Florida is handling capital punishment. Now, Pittman's story isn't totally over. His legal team is pushing for an appeal with the Florida Supreme Court, and a last-ditch effort to the U.S. Supreme Court is likely. So there's still a chance this case could take another turn. For true crime fans like me, Pittman's story is a reminder of how the justice system can move fast, and sometimes relentlessly. It's a case packed with tragedy, legal drama, and now, a record-breaking moment for the state. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Do you think Florida's surge in execution signals a permanent change, or is it just a blip? If you're into deep dives like this, don't forget to subscribe for more cases that'll keep you up at night. Thanks for watching.